Well, last time I used that washer, it was grinding and everything, and I know it was just about to blow up, I feel. So instead of using it again or trying to use it again, I took the one, it was all dusty and dirty, but I took the other one that was sitting there and just got it hooked up. And let's see, tap cold. Let's go with cool. Auto sense. Um, let's see. It's sensing. So it might not work because I have nothing in it, but let's see. Okay, so that hot really moved when it started filling up. But yeah, it's filling up. So let's go ahead and pour some bleach in there. Since it was a used washer, I want to bleach it with some vinegar. Just some regular vinegar. You mix those two. Don't put very much of it because it does make a nasty fume if you breathe it in. So I'm used to it, so I'm gonna make sure this thing gets clean with about 2-3 capfuls of bleach. And then about a half cup of vinegar. Now let's let that go. And I'll have to get some more laundry soap, but we'll get some and get another load done in it after it gets cleaned out. Alright, well, I'm back on the floor. And the air just kicked on, or the heat, I mean, so let's get the depth of this where I want it. This is gonna be horrible for a minute. Now I need to come in from the other side and cut down. I don't want that under there really, but okay. So it's just a weekly warning or test. Well, that's not really what I wanted to do because that kind of messed up the flooring for the rest of the floor right there. But it'll be fine because I'm gonna take that and cut it and put a brace in here next to the vent right here. So it'll be fine. Especially for me. It'll be fine. I just, it'll be sturdy and everything by the time I get done with it. So, next I'll show you how we install those heater vent pieces. So, stay tuned for that.